Hi, everybody. It's week 33, Monday, asynchronous work. The Marshall High School Athletic Association sells tickets for weekly football games, for the weekly football games. Students pay $5 and adults pay $10 for a ticket. The Athletic Association needs to raise $3,000 selling tickets to send the team to an out of town tournament. All right, so I have students paying one amount and adults paying another amount for the ticket. They need to raise $3,000. All right, well, let's write down. Okay, so student, let me say, okay, that's going to be $5. Adult will be $10. And we need 3,000. All right. That's the information we have so far. Write an equation to represent this situation. Okay, well, in this situation, I have to have some let statements. So, for example, I'm going to let S equal the number of student tickets sold. I'm going to let A equal the number of adult tickets sold. Now that I've stated that, I can use the variables A and S in an equation. So I know that A, let's switch to the black. Black should be good. So I know A plus S will equal the number of tickets sold. But I want prices. And I know that I need to earn $3,000. And these have a certain price to them. It's $10 for every adult ticket, and it's $5 for every student ticket. There we go. What combination of student and adult tickets sales would achieve this association's goal? Well, there's so many different combinations. If we have 0 adults, so we can do like A and we can have S. So why don't we have 3 choices and you guys come up with 2 additional ones? So I know for a fact I could sell 0 adult tickets. If I sell 0 adult tickets, then 5S is equal to 3,000 because 0 times 10. Okay, well, just off the top of my head, I would say that would be 300, 600. I would have to sell 600 student tickets for that. It's a lot. Well, what if I plug in 0 student tickets? Well, if I plug in 0 student tickets, then I know that 10A plus 5 times 0 is equal to 3,000. Okay, well, if I divide by 10 on both sides using the division property of the quality, I'm going to get 300. Well, let's try 100. If I plug in 100 for adult, 100 times 10 is 1,000. So it'll be 1,000 plus 5S is equal to 3,000. If I subtract by 1,000 on each side, I get 2,000 is equal to 5S. Okay, well, if I divide by 5 on both sides, I'll get 400. Okay, well, what if I plug in 100 for the student tickets? Okay, well, that'd be 500 if I subtract on both sides. 2,500 will equal 10A. $10 times the number of adult tickets. If I divide by 10, I get 250. So basically what we're doing for this instance right now, we are creating we're plugging and chugging. We're like, all right, what if we sell 0 adult tickets? How many student tickets would we have to sell? What if we sell 300 adult tickets? How many student tickets would we have to sell? What if we sell 100? We're picking nice numbers that will go into 3,000. Well, that will operate very well here. Okay, next up. Compare your combination of ticket sales with your classmates. Did you all get the same answer? Well, in this instance, yes and no. For example, everybody should have already, in this instance, if you picked 0, then everybody should have gotten 600. If you picked 0 for students, everybody should have got 300. But there's so many different combinations of what would go into 10a plus 5s is equal to 3000. Give me 1 second. All right, so if you guys remember, we have 10 adult tickets for $10 for every adult ticket and $5 for every student ticket. And we need $3,000. Now, it doesn't really work in a graphing calculator unless you're using X and Y, because that's the values. X is left and right, Y is up and down. But if we plugged in this information, we would get this linear graph. You would have 600, and we'd have 300 right here, just like our information. So every point along here is a valid solution. However, for example, this 181.6 and 236.8. What's the problem in this? Can we sell 101.6 tickets? No, it's not possible. So in certain situations, we have to use our heads and just understand, hey, wait a second. Doesn't make sense in a real world answer. But this 182 and 236, that would work. All right, thanks, guys. Have a good one.